Have you ever found yourself wondering if manifestation is real? Maybe you've tried affirmations, visualizations, or scripting, but you're still waiting for that undeniable proof. What if I told you there's a way to experience it for yourself, in a way that leaves no room for doubt? Let's get right into it. The first step is simple yet profound: start with something small and believable. The reason so many people question manifestation is that they often aim for something enormous right out of the gate, like winning the lottery or landing a dream job overnight. While those things are absolutely possible, they require unwavering belief, which many of us are still building. Instead, choose something that feels achievable but still exciting, like finding a feather, hearing a specific phrase, or receiving an unexpected compliment. This keeps the process light and fun, which is key. Once you've decided what you want to manifest, write it down in clear, specific terms. Clarity is powerful because it signals to your subconscious mind exactly what you're focusing on. For instance, if you want a free cup of coffee, write, "I am so happy and grateful now that someone has gifted me a free cup of coffee." Notice how it's phrased in the present tense, as if it's already happened. This step trains your mind to act as if it's a done deal, and that confidence shifts your energy in a way the universe responds to. Now here's where the magic begins: visualization. Find a quiet moment in your day, close your eyes, and imagine the scenario of your manifestation coming true. Picture yourself holding that cup of coffee, feeling the warmth in your hands, and savoring the aroma. Add as much detail as you can. The trick is to feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, or excitement, just as you would if it were already happening. This emotional charge is what aligns your vibration with the reality you want to attract. But visualization alone isn't enough. You need to let go of attachment to the outcome. This can be tricky because our natural tendency is to obsess over when and how it will happen. However, holding on too tightly creates resistance, which slows the process. Instead, trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desire to you in the best possible way. Think of it like placing an order at a restaurant. You don't keep running to the kitchen to check on it. You sit back and trust that your meal will arrive. Another crucial step is staying open and aware. Manifestation often works in ways we don't expect, so it's important to notice the signs and synchronicities around you. Maybe someone offers to buy you a coffee, or you find a gift card in your drawer that you'd forgotten about. These little nudges are proof that your intention is taking shape, even if it doesn't look exactly as you imagined. Gratitude is the glue that holds everything together. Even before you see evidence of your manifestation, start thanking the universe as if it's already done. Gratitude is a high-frequency emotion that accelerates the process. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every day, even if they're small, like a sunny morning or a kind word from a stranger. This practice not only raises your vibration but also trains your mind to focus on the positive. Sometimes, we block our own manifestations without realizing it. This often happens when we have limiting beliefs lurking beneath the surface. For example, if you believe deep down that you don't deserve good things or that life is a constant struggle, those thoughts will act as a barrier. To uncover these beliefs, pay attention to your self-talk. If you catch yourself thinking, "This won't work for me," or "I never get what I want," challenge those thoughts. Replace them with empowering affirmations like, "I am worthy of my desires," or "Everything is always working out for me." Action is another vital ingredient. Manifestation isn't about sitting back and waiting for things to happen, it's about aligning your actions with your intentions. Let's go back to the coffee example. Maybe you feel inspired to visit a cafe you've never been to or strike up a conversation with someone who might surprise you. Follow those intuitive nudges, they're often the universe guiding you toward your goal. Here's a fun way to supercharge your manifestation: create a manifestation journal. Dedicate a notebook solely to writing about your desires as if they've already come true. Each day, spend a few minutes scripting scenes from your ideal life. Write in vivid detail, as though you're narrating a story. This practice not only keeps your focus on what you want but also builds the belief that it's already yours. It's also important to surround yourself with positive energy. The people, environments, and content you consume all influence your vibration. Spend time with those who uplift and inspire you. Fill your space with things that bring you joy, whether it's music, art, or nature. And when negative thoughts creep in, gently redirect your focus to something that makes you feel good. Patience is a virtue in manifestation, but it doesn't mean sitting idle. Stay engaged with the process, but avoid obsessing over the timing. Some manifestations happen quickly, while others take longer because they require more alignment or involve other people's free will. Trust that everything is unfolding in divine timing, even if you can't see the full picture yet. The beauty of starting small is that it builds your confidence. Once you see proof that manifestation works, you'll feel empowered to aim for bigger and more meaningful desires. That feather, phrase, or free coffee might seem insignificant, but it's a powerful reminder that you're a co-creator with the universe. Each success, no matter how small, reinforces the belief that you hold the power to shape your reality. Another way to experience undeniable proof of manifestation is by incorporating sensory involvement into your practice. While visualization is powerful, pairing it with other senses like sound, touch, and even taste amplifies the experience. For instance, if you're manifesting a vacation, listen to the sounds of ocean waves or the bustling energy of a city you want to visit. Imagine the feel of the sand between your toes or the aroma of a delicious meal you'd have there. The more senses you engage, the more real the experience becomes to your subconscious mind, which accelerates the process of attracting it into your reality. Another effective approach is to pay attention to your language, both in your thoughts and words. What you say shapes your vibration. If you consistently speak about lack, such as, "I can't afford this" or "things never work out for me," you're reinforcing that reality. Instead, practice affirmations or even casual statements that align with abundance and positivity. Even saying, "I'm open to wonderful surprises today," can shift your outlook and vibration, inviting experiences that match this energy. Working with manifestation partners can also be a game changer. Share your goals with a trusted friend who believes in the power of manifestation, and support each other in staying focused and optimistic. Sometimes, having an external perspective can highlight opportunities or shifts that you might overlook on your own. Manifestation doesn't have to be a solitary practice. Involving others can bring fresh energy to your intentions. A lesser discussed but equally crucial factor in manifestation is self-care. When you prioritize your well-being, you naturally raise your vibration and become a magnet for positive experiences. This doesn't just mean physical care, like eating well or exercising, but also nurturing your mental and emotional health. Practices like journaling, meditation, or even spending time doing things you love create a state of ease and receptivity. In this state, you're more likely to notice opportunities and synchronicities related to your desires. One of the most surprising ways to strengthen your manifestation belief is through acts of giving. When you give to others, whether it's your time, resources, or kindness, you send out a powerful message to the universe that there's more than enough to go around. This not only lifts your mood but also attracts similar energy back into your life. Try it out, and watch how quickly positive experiences start to flow toward you. Manifestation works in ways that often feel magical, but the truth is, it's grounded in the simple principle of aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with what you want. Every step you take, every positive choice you make, draws you closer to the reality you've envisioned. The beauty of manifestation lies in its accessibility. Anyone can use it, and it doesn't require anything external. Everything you need to create the life you desire already exists within you. If this message resonates with you, consider taking the first step toward trying out what we've discussed today. Start with something simple, something you can look forward to, and let the process unfold naturally. When you do, you'll start to notice how life begins to shift in small but meaningful ways. These shifts are the proof you've been waiting for. They're like breadcrumbs from the universe, guiding you towards something even greater. Now, I want to take a moment to ask for your support. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps more people discover this message. Also, if you're ready to get deeper into manifestation and create a life that excites you, consider subscribing to this channel. We're building a space for inspiration and growth, and your presence here makes it even better. Another way to support this journey is by sharing this video with someone you care about. Sometimes, all it takes is one message to spark a profound change in someone's life. Who knows? Your simple act of sharing could be the start of something extraordinary for them. If you're not already following this channel, hit that subscribe button now and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Every week, we're bringing you insights, techniques, and tools to empower your path. Be part of the growing circle of like-minded individuals who believe in the power of their thoughts and intentions. So, take that first step today. Pick something small, set your intention, and follow the process. The proof you're looking for isn't out there, it's within you, waiting to be discovered. Manifestation is real, and the evidence is closer than you think. All you need to do is try.